What if I told you one natural powder could quietly strengthen roots and keep leaves clean at the same time? In nature, plants stay healthy when soil stays active and surfaces stay protected. Today, let's use ginger powder, a simple, gentle helper for plant care. Take 1 spoon of ginger powder and mix it directly into the soil around your plant. Ginger naturally supports beneficial soil activity and helps create a cleaner root environment. Healthier roots absorb nutrients more easily, which encourages steady growth and stronger stems. For regular prevention, mix 2 spoons of ginger powder into 1 liter of water and spray it evenly on the leaves. Ginger contains natural protective compounds that help keep leaf surfaces fresh and less inviting for common plant problems. If a plant already looks weak or affected, prepare a stronger support spray. Add 2 spoons of ginger powder into 1 liter of water, then mix in 1 small cup of milk. Milk provides gentle nutrients and helps the solution spread smoothly across leaves, supporting recovery while ginger works to protect. Use this method consistently and you may notice stronger roots, cleaner leaves, and calmer growth. Simple care, natural balance. That's the easy way to help plants thrive.